Hi everyone, today I'm sharing the tokenization opportunity, how we can verify, authenticate, track, and validate assets using blockchain technology. So why tokens? In today's digital landscape, Web3 tokens offer robust solutions to embed proof of ownership and authenticity, enable the verification of legitimacy for documents and other physical or digital goods, enable provenance tracking for the supply chain of critical assets from creation through their entire lifecycle, and create an immutable record of ownership that establishes transparency and customer trust. Let's show how this works for securing documents. In this demo, we will crypto seal a document and see how the validation works in real time. In this first step, we will mimic physically scanning a hard copy of a document and add detailed metadata. Beyond basic text, you can enrich a document with output from intelligent document processing, legal rights, IoT sensor data, physical NFC tag information, or links to additional tokens for comprehensive asset tracking. Once it is minted, all of this information will be embedded on the blockchain all in one step. Now, here's what's interesting. When we view the token, the minted token doesn't have any visible changes to the document itself. Instead, it securely embeds critical information in the blockchain to provide verifiable proof of ownership and authenticity. Let's see the power of this. I'm going to open up the original document and attempt to alter this expiration date to 1 year in the future. To the naked eye, this document looks legitimate, the file name and other visible data has appeared unchanged. But when I use our token validator and validate that this document hasn't been tampered with, I'm going to upload the incorrect document with the same exact name. It immediately shows that the document has been altered. Now let's go back, remove this, and update the original document, which looks exactly the same. And this token is verified and confirms that the tokenized document has remained completely unaltered. And here's the final piece. The token stays with the document even when ownership changes hands and maintains a chain of authenticity. This technology applies across industries, from legal documents and certificates to supply chain tracking, creating an unforgeable chain of trust that combats fraud and establishes new standards of authenticity. And the best part, whether you're new to Web3 or already experienced, comprehensive APIs make it simple to integrate these functionalities into your existing systems. You get all the benefits of the blockchain without the complexity. Now imagine a world where every document, asset, and critical record carries its own unforgeable proof of authenticity. That is the power of tokenization.